Since it looks like inflation is here to stay for a while, many people are looking for gigs to make ends meet or extra spending money. A part-time job is nice, but a part-time job that pays well is even better. If you're looking for a weekend side hustle to supplement your income, here are one of the newer side jobs in the job market. Social media specialists can earn more than $27 an hour by promoting an organization's brand across social media platforms. The promotional content posted online includes media such as videos, texts, memes, GIFs, and images. This is an ideal part-time job for social media savvy people with good communication skills, and can even be a full-time job with no degree required. Providing supplemental education to students of all ages, grade levels, and academic subjects, and standardized test preparation pays $20 an hour on average. Tutoring is an excellent option if you're an expert in one or more study areas and enjoy sharing that knowledge with others. Whether they train clients at a gym or work freelance, fitness trainers can adjust their rates based on the type of the fitness regimen offered. Workers in this field earn a median hourly wage of $19.57. Taking groups of visitors to local tourist attractions and providing them with background and historical information about the sites is a great way to spend a weekend and earn money. Tour guides make an average hourly wage of just under $16. Can you spot grammatical errors from a mile away? Are you an avid wordsmith? On average, those skills can earn you more than $22 an hour working as a proofreader. The primary responsibilities include identifying formatting issues, mistakes, and discrepancies in a text before the final draft is published. People with a head for numbers and excellent organizational skills would excel at bookkeeping and earn an average of $22 an hour, and even up to $50 an hour or more if you work for yourself. A completely different role from an accountant, bookkeepers are hired by organizations to balance and maintain their books, run payroll, generate invoices, and record monetary transactions. At an average hourly rate of $17.28, working as a data entry clerk is a desirable part-time job. If you can operate a keyboard accurately, some decent money can be made in data entry. Administrative duties such as providing customer information, greeting visitors, answering telephones, and other office support tasks can earn you just over $14 an hour. A receptionist is not only a well-paying side job, but also a relatively easy one. For a median hourly wage of $17.75 an hour, helping customers with all types of transactions, such as order processing, complaint resolution, and general customer assistance, is a sweet side gig. Animal lovers can find weekend work caring for pets, including pet sitting, dog walking, pet grooming, exercising, and training them to follow commands. For a median hourly wage close to $14 an hour, pet care workers can find jobs online using pet care apps or go independent. Anyone who's looking to earn some extra money should consider medical transcription as a part-time job. Healthcare professionals like doctors employ medical transcriptionists to convert their work-related voice recordings into formal documents and edit and review documents. With a median hourly wage of $14.47, this is an excellent way to put your typing skills to use. Suppose you enjoy being physically active and are looking for a side gig. In that case, there's always a need for part-time movers and warehouse workers. Jobs can be easily found on online job forums or through job apps. The median hourly wage for warehouse workers and movers is $14.58.